Question 1. Holger writes the numbers up to 40 in the table in the same way as shown. Which of the pieces A to E can he then cut from the table? In this table, we have numbers from 1 to 40, and only 1 to 12 as shown in this table. If we look at the first column here, we see 1 and 9. In the second column, there's 2 and 10. And in the third column, there's 3 and 11. So we can see that every number in the row below is 8 more than 1 above. Now, if we look across the top row 1, 2, 3, 4, the numbers are going up by 1 each time. So the pattern is going down, we add 8, and going across, we add 1. Once we know this pattern, we can use it to check which piece from A to E can be correctly cut from Holger's fold table. Now let's look at option C. 20 and 21 are next to each other, and the difference is 1, and that fits the pattern across. There's a difference of 8 between 12 and 20. 21 is 8 less than 29. So these two also fit the pattern going down. So this one works.